Hi, I'm Wongster 1970, and today I'm going to replace the camshaft sensor on the 2006 Nissan Altima with the 2.5 liter. And when it's on here, seal's cracked and it's starting to leak, so I figured I would just replace the entire sensor. So let's get started. See, right there's the sensor, and there's a lot of oil right around it. I'm going to go and spray that off with some brake clean, and then I think it's a 10mm bolt down there. Well, first I guess what I'll do is see if I can get the connector off. I'm going to take my glove off. Can't get in there to squeeze it. There we go. Move that up and out of the way. Right there it is. So I'm going to get some brake clean or some carb cleaner, spray it off, let it dry for a little bit, and then see if I can get that bolt off and pull the sensor out. Using some of this SuperTech brake parts cleaner. Spray down there. It's a little hot. It's been running. Be careful. So let's see if I can get in here. I'm gonna try a 1/4" drive extension with a swivel. That is the one for it. And turned. It's just like it's put in a very bad spot. I'm gonna move this sensor also, this connector. Move that up out of the way. And get that removed. It's hot. Very hot. The bolt is very hot. Set that out of the way. Let's see if I can remove this. Oh yeah, it popped right out. Or get a rag and try to clean that up a little bit. The ring doesn't look too bad. This is a replacement part number EH0337. Says that this is a crankshaft position sensor, but I've been told that the crankshaft and the camshaft are the same sensor. So I'll get this put in and we'll see if they're right. Put a little bit of oil on the O-ring. I'm gonna slide that back in there. Wiggle it, turn it a little bit as I'm pushing in. Is that in? Looks like it's in. Let's see if I can get the bolt back in. Seems like I got it lined up. Hope so. out of the way. Let me get my ratchet. Let's make it snug. Should be good. Put it back in. That should do it. We're going to go and start it up and make sure that it runs. No leaks yet. Hopefully it doesn't leak anymore. That'll do it for installing the replacement camshaft sensor on the 2006 Nissan Altima with the 2.5 liter engine. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.